Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. We are back for the second half of our tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is take each of these pieces individually and get them attached to each other. I have a hot glue gun here. I'm going to be using that. I'm also going to be using these foam squares, double-sided, self-adhesive. I use this full cardstock and also this glitter cardstock. I use the silver glitter cardstock. This I'm going to offset just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to set her name aside. I have that done. We'll let that glue dry. Then next, I'll work on these sea creatures here. So do this starfish. I'm going to make sure that I have these in the right spot. Okay, so I'm going to adhere that. Then I'm going to get my starfish. Get my starfish adhered. Okay, so we have that done. Now we'll do this other starfish here. I think I'm going to just put one in the center and let that do. I think that'll be fine. And before I line it up, make sure I have that in the right spot. Okay, I have that one ready. Let's put that to the side. Now we're going to get our little fish here. Okay, he's done. We'll go on to this clam. And I have some extra fish and things cut out. I don't know if I'm going to need it, but if I do, I have them cut and ready. So, but I'm just going to assemble the ones I think I'm going to need. Okay, he's ready. Now my beautiful mermaids. Okay. Okay, I have her done. Move the foam out the way for a minute. Easier for me to get it centered. Okay, she's ready. And I think she's so pretty with that afro. She's adorable. And it really doesn't matter where you place these. If you place it on the object or the second layer, it doesn't matter. Okay, she's ready now. See, her afro's kind of sticking out. Let me see if I can put some more up there. Hold that down. It's kind of flaring on the ends. So we're going to get that covered up. All right, much better. Okay, now we're going to get to our styrofoam. And this came in a packing box. I always keep my styrofoam because I have to use it for centerpieces like this. So it helps a lot. So I save it and just use it as needed. Okay, this is some glitter cardstock. It's really thin. I got it from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to cut to size here. I'm going to line that up. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do before I go any further on the front, I'm going to go to, so I'm going to get them. And this is what they look like, okay? So I'm going to get these. I cut 3 because I think I need 3 for the width. And they're going to overlap each other, so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a strip of tape along the bottom and just adhere it. So I want this to be sticking up from the back. So once I adhere them, I'll turn it over and show you the effect that I'm going for here. Just overlap it just a little bit. I might pull this one in because I have another one that's gonna be on here. So this will be the last one. It's gonna overlap that one too. So put a little tape on this one. Okay, so we'll put this one here. Okay, so this is what the back of it is going to look like. You can see it's coming together. This is the back portion. This is the front, okay? Okay, so let me get her glued. Okay, so we're going to allow these sticks to dry real good here before we put them in. So we're going to let them dry a little bit, and we're going to go back to the front, okay? So what I'm going to do is get our fish placed on here. I want to see how I'm going to lay it out. I don't think I'm going to have room for everything. We put Carla in the center, and then I'll have these fish. They could be popping up out the water here. Now these starfish, I may have to put those back here somewhere. Or I think I see how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and get the name put on there. I'm going to try and center it. Let me get my measuring tape just to... Okay, snap is the center. I think that's good enough. Just press that down. Now I want these fish, because I'm going to cover up this little crease where they meet. So I am going to have him kind of sticking out of the water and covering up that little crease there. Okay, then I'll put this one, it'll be up a little higher. My starfish, they'll be overlapping just a little bit. Okay, all right, it's coming together good. See, this one, we'll put it right here. Okay, so make sure this is where the adhesive goes. These are so much fun to make, guys. They are so much fun. Okay, guys, so this is the front. This is our front. Carla, she's 4. It's beautiful. Okay, so now we want to get the placement of our mermaids here. So I'm going to see how close I need them to be. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I have my little X-Acto knife here. I'm just going to cut little area right there, and I'm not going to make it permanent just yet. I just want to put it there just for a second so I can get them spaced out. Sometimes it's easier to just kind of get some kind of idea before you start gluing stuff in. Okay. And she'll be and it don't have to be perfect all the way across. They don't have to be standing, you know, right in the same line. Okay, so I think that's going to be good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little hot glue on the tip. Gives it a really good hold. Okay. And I'm going to cut her some. Not much. Okay. And I'll cut this stick down some. Okay. Let's put a little glue on this one. All right, so we got them in there. We'll give them time to set a little bit. Okay. Finished project. I think it turned out beautiful. Turn it up where you can see it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It turned out really, really pretty. Okay, so this is the finished product, guys. It turned out so pretty. Okay, so guys, this is the end of our assembly tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this centerpiece is going to be beautiful at the mermaid party. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.